Good afternoon. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. This video was pre-recorded last week for airing today, Tuesday, October 5th. Brandy Kaprowski, Interim Executive Director of the Integrated Community Planning of Oswego County, will join me today to discuss quality child care in our community. COVID-19 is still a threat in our county. New positive cases continue to rise, and our community transmission level remains high, according to the CDC. Sadly, we are still losing neighbors to this disease. I would like to offer our condolences to their families and loved ones. As our public health director reminded us last week, the majority of COVID-19 hospitalizations and deaths are in those who are unvaccinated, yet little more than half of our residents who are eligible for the vaccine are fully vaccinated. We must do everything we can to protect ourselves, our loved ones, and our community. This means following protection practices in public spaces and getting vaccinated. We have a COVID-19 vaccination clinic scheduled every Wednesday from 1 to 5:30 p.m. at the Nick Stereo Public Health Clinic, 70 Bunner Street, Oswego. Tomorrow, October 6th, all 3 vaccines, Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson, will be available. Walk-ins are welcome, though appointments are still appreciated. Go to health.oswegocounty.com and click on the link for local information about the COVID-19 vaccination. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected us in many ways, one being access to quality child care. While this issue is always a vital concern for families, it has been especially challenging in recent months. The Child Care and Development Council Division of the Integrated Community Planning of Oswego County is dedicated to the development of affordable and accessible child care by providing services that support both families and providers. And now Brandy will talk about how the organization may be able to help residents.
Thank you, Chairman Weatherup. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought to light just how essential childcare is to a functioning economy. Childcare is a critical support for children, families, and communities by allowing parents to work and providing a quality early learning setting for children. Since 1987, Integrated Community Planning has been serving both childcare providers and parents in Oswego County through its Child Care and Development Council division. Its mission is to be a community resource agency to provide support and improve the quality of life for youth and families in Oswego County. While this past year and a half have posed significant challenges to providers and parents alike, Integrated Community Planning, along with local and statewide partners, have worked tirelessly to offer assistance and support. Fortunately, funding through the CARES Act and ARP Act was made available and is helping to stabilize the childcare industry as we continue to navigate the evolving changes the COVID-19 pandemic presents. Oswego County is in need of additional New York State regulated childcare programs to increase provider availability and meet the needs of families throughout the county. For those interested in opening a childcare program or exploring the possibility of doing so, please contact our office as we have staff eager to offer assistance and guidance. We are also poised to assist parents and families with their search for quality regulated childcare and can tailor referrals to best meet their needs. You can find more information about our services on our website at www.icpoc.org or by calling us at 315-343-2344. Thank you.
Thank you, Brandy. We appreciate the Council's work to make sure that all children have access to safe, quality child care that promotes their learning and development. Finally, I'd like to take a minute to welcome race fans back to Oswego County for the Napa Auto Parts Super Dirt Week. Racing excitement begins with the Demon 100, a satellite run at Burton Speedway tonight, October 5th. Our County Tourism Office reminds us that the 5-day award-winning event features the best drivers in the Northeast. An autograph session is scheduled at noon on Sunday, October 10th, behind the front stretch grandstand. This week's tourism tip of the week is to go to www.superdirtweek.com for information about tickets, parking, and other details. Stay safe and healthy, and thank you for doing your part to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. If you haven't been vaccinated, now is the time. Call the COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3330 for details.